Siphinde simpingelele kwi-Khaya TV 2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi siyacela ukucofa i-button subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola indaba njengoba zinjalo. Amalunga e-MK Party lawa aqoshiwe ephalamende ebekade ebriefa imedia namhlanje echaza ukuthi kungani eqoshiwe and esho futhi ukuthi azolwa fire on fire ne-MK Party. Awuyizwele-ke bezikhulumela.
The law. We will go and find attorneys who are going to. So they made sure that we don't get our last salary. They also tried to evict us from our parliamentary villages. There's a lot that they are doing because they think we are not going to expose them. We are not going to sit back and fold our arms. We are going to fight fire with fire until our dignity and our rights is achieved. So this propaganda of saying that we are funded by who and who it must end, we are not funded by those people. In fact, we have no one who's funding us. We don't even have enough money to pay Abobabu Uchitando and his team. But they've been lenient to us because they want to assist us and want to make sure that we win this case because there is an injustice. Just like all other South Africans, all MK Party members who have heard our story now, we must come together and fight this injustice. Otherwise, it may be us today, but tomorrow it's going to be someone else. And as long as we shield these predators who are masquerading as leaders, so and we are killing the future of these guys' children and their family. So I don't know if you guys have questions, but from my side, that's all. I don't know how we are going to facilitate this process of questions. Questions are addressed to myself. I'm going to answer.